We are approaching 2 years, if you can believe it, since Hurricane Harvey and the massive flooding that totaled an estimated 500,000 cars. A Houston woman has created a product that essentially zips right over vehicles, protecting them, she says, from floodwaters. She showed Fox 26's Natalie He how they work.
It's a sight all too familiar in Houston. Vehicles stranded on deserted streets, destroyed after being inundated during a flooding event.
My car was flooded by Hurricane Harvey.
2 years ago, Rahel Abraham says she was traumatized after losing her car during Hurricane Harvey.
For someone who's already been through this event and trauma.
With a background in chemical and environmental engineering, she wanted to find a way to proactively protect pricey and precious items.
The idea came with there has to be a way to safeguard, an option at least, to safeguard my car and my possessions.
So after more than a year of research and testing, she founded the company ClimaGuard and created a product called TPE, Temporary Protective Enclosure.
I wanted something compact that I could use. I'm a petite woman. This is a larger one.
Packed away in a duffel bag, weighing less than 20 pounds. When rolled out, unzipped, and laid flat on the ground,
The bottom half is bigger than this top portion.
the TPE looks similar to a piece of tarp, except its material is designed to be lighter, more durable, and able to withstand water for several days.
It's made of this waterproof, resilient material. It's abrasion resistant, tear resistant.
To set it up, all you have to do is drive your car into it.
So you pull it back over.
Pull the top cover over the roof and zip it all the way around, creating a waterproof bag for your car in less than 5 minutes.
As well. This has 3 feet of coverage before you get to the water-resistant zippers. However, it does float after 1.5 feet. So you do get even more coverage. There's attachable straps, and you can wrap your car or whatever possession you want around anything sturdy that's not going to float.
It's simple, yet seemingly revolutionary to solve flooding nightmares in the Bayou City.
We had a car sitting in 3 feet of water for the entire weekend, and we've used that same prototype over and over.
Rahel currently has a patent pending on the TPE's utility and plans on launching the first batch for sale in September. But this could just be the start of an entire line of WeatherGuard protection products.
Now, what you just saw in our story was actually just a prototype. The final product will be a bright blue color to stand out during a storm. The initial price starts at $350 and goes all the way up to $450 depending on the size of your vehicle. Rahel says she hopes to lower costs when demand goes up and eventually partner with insurance companies. In the 6 News, Natalie He, Fox 26.